What is the best way to invest $1,000? So I know $1,000 is not a lot of money, but if you only have $1,000, you can still invest. Now, what is the best way to invest $1,000 and what kind of investments can you buy to make sure that you set yourself for long-term success? My name is Vedast and I am a certified financial education instructor and I am the founder of acetradinglife.com. In this video, I'll show you the best way to invest $1,000. Before we continue in this video, I have to tell you, this is not an investment advice. It is just financial tips that I have learned in the past that helped me improve my finances and started building my portfolio one step at a time. So these tips can help you too. The first and most important way to invest $1,000 is to start saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable and anything can happen. You can lose your job, you can end up in the hospital and experience a very expensive medical bill. You might end up having to repair your car or replace your house's roof. This is when your emergency funds come into play. It also prevents you from taking out unnecessary loans such as payday loans and personal loans or using your credit card. Put the money into an account that earns you a small interest. For example, this right here, these are some of the best savings accounts you can have. You can earn as much as 5%, even more, depending on the market rates. The second best way to invest $1,000 is to pay down your debt. So if you have a high interest debt that is costing you 10, 15, 20% every month, use that $1,000 to pay off that debt. Every little extra payment you make to the debt actually helps you bring the debt down, which is very essential in building financial resilience. If you have high interest debt such as credit card debt, personal loans, payday loans, or any other debt that costs you a lot of interest, use that $1,000 to pay down. Paying down a high interest debt faster will save you a lot of money in interest charges in the long term. The third option to invest $1,000 is to put that into an IRA. Open an individual retirement account and contribute that $1,000 into the account. Now, this is an effective way to use that $1,000 simply because it gives you tax benefits, but also ensures that you're not going to run out of money during retirement. And this is the first step towards your retirement planning strategies. $1,000 saved towards retirement that is earning you 5 to 10% is better than having that money sitting into a checking account where you might end up spending it or you lose it through inflation. The fourth best way to invest $1,000 is to invest that money into equity. Now, when it comes to equity, we are referring to stocks and stock funds. Now, if you're new to investing, I suggest you don't buy individual stocks. Instead, buy index funds. Index funds have hundreds of stocks in them, which gives you access to all these stocks into the fund, but also it is diversified. So even if 1, 2, or 3 companies go bad, you still have access to other companies that do good. So either way, you're not going to experience a lot of volatility and your portfolio will be safe. To recap, these are the 4 best ways to invest $1,000. 1, start building an emergency savings account because it will help you deal with uncertainties such as the loss of a job or an expensive medical bill. Second option is to use that money to pay down your debt. If you have high interest debt, use that money to pay down your debt so that you can save money over the long term and interest charges. The third option we're seeing is to use that money to save for retirement. Open an IRA and start saving towards your retirement. The fourth option is to use that money to invest into stocks and stock funds. And the best way to do that is to buy index funds because these don't have a lot of volatility. They're safer and you are diversified. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the video to someone. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.